What is motivation? Motivation is the inner and external drive that initiates and sustains behavior. It's the force that compels individuals to take action, set and pursue goals, and accomplish tasks. Motivation can stem from various sources. First, intrinsic motivation that comes from within and is driven by personal satisfaction, curiosity, or a genuine interest in the task itself. Second, extrinsic motivation. External factors such as rewards, pursuits, or fear of punishments drive intrinsic motivation. Third, biological motivation. Biological needs like hunger, thirst, or the desire for warmth also motivate to satisfy these needs. Fourth, social motivation. Social interaction, relationships, and the desire for acceptance and belonging can be strong motivators. 5. Achievement motivation. A desire to achieve, excel, or accomplish goals, whether in academics, sports era, or career. 6. Self determination. Autonomy and a sense of control over one's action can be powerful motivator. 7. Goal setting. Specific challenging goals can be motivate individuals by providing a clear target. Remember, motivational plays a crucial role in personal and professional development as it influences how individuals approach tasks, make decisions, and persist in the face of challenges. Thank you.